Hello. I am so excited that you have your brand and your brand kit. And now we need to upload it into Canva. So that is the steps I'm going to show you here is how to upload it in Canva and then how to use it in Canva as well. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you. All right. So what you're going to see here is a message directly from me. You're going to go ahead and click it. It'll have your name right here. So mine right now, it says KT South. It'll have your name on it. That's how you know it's your brand kit. The moment that you click it, it's going to open up in your browser as your brand kit. And this is, now that it's opened up, you're going to go ahead and see your design here. Now, there are multiple pages in this design. Right now, we're going to stick with just that first page because it has your brand colors and the brand font that we want to work with. So the first thing we're going to do is open up actually another browser, and we're going to go to canva.com. This is going to bring you to the Canva homepage. On this very left-hand side, you're going to see the button brand. You're going to click that button and you want to go to brand kits. And all the way over onto the right, you're going to add new. Now, I already have one here. You might have one, you might not, but we're going to go ahead and add a new one. You can name your brand kit whatever you want. For this example, I'm going to call it the Sexy Techie Brand Kit. Go ahead and click Create. Now, we want to import our colors into here. Okay, so right here you see colors and the color palette. We're going to go back to that other tab. These are the colors that are going to be your brand. Okay, so we're going to click that first one. I want you to double click, which is going to bring up the numbers. Right click, copy, and then go back over to that other tab, add new, and paste. Right when you put those numbers in, it has the color perfectly for you. All you have to do is press enter. Then you're going to add the next color. Go back to our other page, double click, copy, and paste. Third one, back to our other page, double click, copy, and paste. And let's do that very last one. Back to our other page, double click, copy, and paste. Perfect. Now we have our colors. If you have a logo or a logo I created for you, you can go ahead and add it right here. Then you want to go down to fonts, okay? In your brand kit, again, on that very first page, I have two fonts for you. The first one's going to be your title font. I wrote the name of the font in that font. So this font is called Just Right. If you want to double check, you can also see it up here, Just Right. So we're going to go back to our brand kit page, go to title, and type in choose font, Just Right, or whatever font is for yours. Should be the first one that pops up. Perfect. And then subtitle, we're going to use for that second one. So this one's Sukar, right? This is your second. Again, you can double click. You can see that it says it is here as well. We're going to go to choose font and put Sukar. There we go. So that has your two fonts into your brand kit. Okay. Everything else, you might have your brand voice. You might have additional photos, graphics, icons, other things that you want to add to it. You absolutely can, or you can be finished with it and click back to brand kits. Your brand kit right here. Now, this design that we already have is not going to have your brand kit already. It wants a brand new page. So we're going to go to the home. You should see that design right here as your recent designs. You can go ahead and click it and it'll bring up a new window. Go ahead and open up that design. And then over on the left-hand side, you should see brand. If you already have a brand kit in, you might see the word of it right here. To change it, you simply click on the down arrow and go to a different brand, and you can select that brand kit. So now we have our new brand kit in here. The next step for you is to start adding in your graphics to this design. I want you to do this right away so that we make sure it looks good and seamless, because I don't always know exactly the pictures that you are going to use. So I want you to go to your uploads. If you uploaded pictures or elements, we're going to go to uploads. We're going to say this is a Tupperware person's brand kit. And I'm going to go ahead and start implementing, say I wanted to do this picture. Of course. There we go. We want to make sure that it looks good. Now, if your sizing is incorrect, you might need to choose one of the other designs that I have for that. There we go. To make sure that it looks right. If you're having any issues with any of your designs, just let me know. You can send me the picture and I can upload it for you. You can also make sure that you can change your product name. So say this was the Fresh and Cool. You can double click that. Fresh and Cool. Click off of it, make sure that everything is popping up correctly. Looks good. And that is all you do. From there, you can download your designs by clicking that share button and downloading onto your device. Usually I would recommend a PNG. You can do all the pages at once or just a specific page that you're looking for. To use your brand kit for other designs, say you want to make another design, you can add a page, go to design, choose another design that we have in Canva already, like this one, go back to that brand button and click shuffle the color palette. This is going to put your brand colors into it. So those are your browns, your blues, your tans, and you can press it as many times as you would like to make sure that you are using your brand colors. To ensure that you got the font, you can go ahead and make sure by clicking the font that you want to change. You see how this font is called Bristol? Say we want to change it to our font of Sukar. And just like that. This one as well is Telegraph. We want to change it to Sukar, or maybe just right. And there you go. That is how you use your brand kit. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, if something's not looking right for you. I am happy to help to make sure that your graphics are coming across perfectly and just how you want to see them. So thanks again. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.